replace CCN, which is brought to you by Testo. I'm your host, Sandra Rossi. Air conditioner manufacturer Gree can now produce an air conditioner every 15 seconds. This has been achieved at its new smart factory, according to the People's Daily in China. China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology recently designated 235 facilities as the country's first batch of smart factories. At the Gree factory, components move via an overhead transport system to the assembly line, where robotic arms complete assembly before transferring the finished product to the warehouse. Operating at full capacity, the factory's two production lines simultaneously manufacture over 2,000 different models across 3 product sets. Factory management said efficiency has jumped 50%. Each air conditioner goes through 800 quality checks, from raw material to final delivery. Air conditioner sales for Samsung and LG grew sharply in the first quarter compared to a year earlier, according to media reports out of South Korea. Samsung said sales of its residential air conditioners jumped 51% in the January to March period. Sales in March alone surged 61% compared with the same month last year. LG said its first quarter sales spiked 60% from a year earlier, with sales in March skyrocketing 80%. Both companies said their production lines have been operating at full capacity. Daikin has officially opened its third R&D centre in India. The new centre features 22 test labs and will employ over 500 engineers. Products developed at the centre will be available locally and also for export. Also in India, Panasonic is aiming to increase market share for air conditioners to 10% in the next 3 years, according to a Financial Express report. Currently, market share stands at 7.5%, the company said. Panasonic expects demand for air conditioners to increase 25% in India this year alone. Well, that's it for our headlines this week, which were brought to you by Testo. Thank you for watching.